First, go to Projects and choose a project you would like to add a subcontractor. Second, click Find Subs and choose the subcontractors type you want. Let's say I want to find a drywall contractor. Then Eano Pro shows you all drywall contractors with licenses in your neighborhood. Select the subs you want to reach out to and click Invite. Edit the invitation SMS and click Send. Eano Pro allows you to invite subs you need in 1 minute. First, go to People section in the navigation bar and click My Team. Click Vendors section. Choose the one you want to manage. Then you can add or edit vendors' details here. In addition, you can request vendors' MISA files and their tax form. Just confirm the information here and Eano Pro will send the email and SMS automatically. Adding a new vendor is super easy as well. Click Add Vendors. Fill out the information here. And easily manage their authorizations.